The question is, how will the weather play a factor in all this again today?
It's starting to improve weather-wise, but we are still looking at this fire just burning out of control right now. And so we only have a small window before the winds pick up once again. I wanted to show you a look at what we're up against right now. This is just to the east of Windsor on a mountain called Pepperwood West. And this is looking at the Kincaid fire with some very large flames. I'm not sure how long this camera is going to be able to hold up because those flames are so close by. And so as we head over to San Francisco, looking really smoky this morning, the smoke is going to get worse as we go throughout the day, all because of those winds that are calming down. We're also seeing temperatures plummeting in the North Bay. We're only a few degrees above freezing in Santa Rosa. And right now in Napa, it is 41 degrees. We have some upper 30s in San Martin. And that's what we see when the winds start to calm down under such dry conditions. We do see those temperatures that can go down quite a bit. And then look at how much cooler it is now compared to yesterday at this time. 24 degrees cooler in Santa Rosa. So it's a chilly start to the day. And we will have some slightly cooler temperatures for the afternoon with highs most of our inland areas reaching into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Let's talk about the wind, because that's going to be the big story here going into the next couple of days. Our winds coming in from the north and start to change and coming in from the northwest, which will bring in some of that wildfire smoke going into the afternoon to evening hours. A mostly calm wind in the forecast tonight, but then there will be another front coming in by tomorrow that's going to cause those winds to start to gust going into tomorrow late morning in the North Bay and the rest of the Bay Area, especially the East Bay, into the afternoon to evening hours. So really windy for a short period of time, but I'm not thinking that it's going to be as strong as the winds that we just had over the past 24 hours. This is what's going on. So we had this storm system that passed by that's bringing us the gusty winds that are starting to taper off as it moves away. There's another one right behind that. And the problem is that we have high pressure close by. So when we have high pressure in close proximity to low pressure, it makes that air really rush as it moves from one pressure system to the next. And so we're going to see those rushing winds starting up again late tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. And then once those storm systems move away, we'll be left with high pressure and some calming winds for the rest of the week. Some slight warming, especially by the weekend. So our 7-day forecast shows that it's going to be smoky today, windy late tomorrow. By Wednesday, the winds will start to decrease. Halloween is looking good with highs in the low 70s and some slight warming for the weekend, while San Francisco will stay in the 60s all throughout the week.